Hi everyone, this is George, founder of CRMchat from New York. Today I'm going to show you how to set up integration between CRMchat and HubSpot, basically between your Telegram and HubSpot. So the goal of this integration is to send your contacts into HubSpot or to send your groups into HubSpot. Usually with contacts, it's simple. Contacts in Telegram, they are contacts in any CRM, for example, in HubSpot. Groups, usually we send to HubSpot as deals. But I'll show you how it works in general so you can create any crazy integration. So before jumping into all the details, let me show you how it works. So we have many options how you can create a new contact in CRMchat, but let's just use the easiest one, forward a message from a new contact. As soon as we forward it, this contact is created, and the bot asks me for two custom properties, which I created and set up a rule. So the bot will always ask me to fill out what type of partnership. So let's use tools. And what's the next step? I really recommend this setup because it kind of makes a lot of sense. Send him, I don't know, something. When you create a new contact, it's really nice to define what type of partnership and what's the next step. So now let's open my HubSpot. So yeah, we see the name, Gleb Levin. We see the Telegram handle, bio, Twitter username. I didn't fill it out. Partnership tools, next step, send him something. So basically everything is updated. So now I'm going to show you how to create this integration. You will need CRMchat Pro account, which is $40 monthly for your entire team. You will need Zapier, which is free. You will need HubSpot, which is also free. Good news, because HubSpot is our favorite CRM, we are building the direct integration with HubSpot, so you can set it up without Zapier much easier than I'm going to show you today, but it will be in 2 or 3 weeks. So we will need to create two zaps. One zap is to creating contacts. Another zap is for updating contacts. And then in another video, I'll show you how to send groups into HubSpot. Now we're focusing only on contacts. But before we jump into this integration, the most important part is to be sure that you created all custom properties that you will need. In order to do this, go to settings, custom properties here. So I'm using this one. I'll just show you partnership, several options. And you probably noticed that the bot asked me to fill out these properties. This is because I selected this properties should be required. As soon as you click required, the bot will start asking you this to fill out this property when you create a new contact. So this is done. The next step is you need to create some custom properties on HubSpot. So for example, here you see I put a very simple table with only few important properties. By the way, if you want to customize this contact tab, just click edit columns here and you can move any new properties here or you can delete them. But in order to create new properties, just type in properties, contact properties, and yeah, here, create new one. For instance, let's use partnership again, partnership 2, yeah. Object type, contact, group, contact information. Then here, the field type is what we use here. Field type, yeah, drop down select, and you create all the options here, and this is pretty much it. So I won't need it anymore. I am closing. So again, the most important part is before creating zaps, you have to create all the properties in CRMchat and in HubSpot. Creating zap is very straightforward, at least for sending contacts. For updating, it's slightly more complicated. Let me turn off the zaps I used right now because I want to create the new ones from scratch. So create new zap. First, the trigger is CRMchat, but as I said, this feature is only in our Pro account. So your first step probably needs to be going to settings and clicking connect to your CRM. Set up Zapier. You will be sent to the Stripe page where you subscribe for the product, and then we send you CRMchat access into your Zapier. But I already did this, so I just select CRMchat. The trigger will be contact or chat created. And then account is this one. You will have only one. Click continue. Test trigger. You can select any of this, it doesn't matter. I will select this one. Then the next step will be HubSpot. Account. You will need to log in here, but I already did this. And the action will be new contact created. So let's type in create contact. Yeah, it's here. Continue. Now we just basically need to map manually all the fields from HubSpot with fields from CRMchat. And here I have a list because I usually forget to map something. So what we are using, the first one is obviously Telegram handle. And by the way, you can search, field search. So Telegram contact information, Telegram. Yeah, this is a custom property which I created in HubSpot. Then you click plus, and I'm going to map it with Telegram username. The next one will be bio. Bio is another custom property I selected in HubSpot. Let's click plus. We call it description. I think Telegram call it description, which is the same as bio. The next will be Twitter. Okay, let's use Twitter username here. Twitter. And what else? Stage and partnership. No, stage we don't use here. Only next step and partnership. All right. So partnership. Partnership is the only tricky one because it's a multi-select. So here you need to click custom because it has custom different customer selections and map it with partnership here. Finally, next step. This is the simple one, next step, and we call it next step here. Name, first name. Let's map it with the name here. Now this is done. Let's test it. All right. And let's wait a second and refresh the page. Yeah, here you can see Gleb Levin. Everything is here. So it created, yeah, everything works. The last step is, because we can send both groups and contacts into your HubSpot, it's important to add a filter. Adding filter, so this app will work only for contacts. This is a very simple one. Type, you see it says type contact. Condition will be exactly matches, and we just type in contact again. Continue. Continue, and now we can publish it. All right, let's create another one. Yeah, I will create myself. Okay, if you type in any handle, it will be the same way. So here I'm not going to update partnership and next step because updating will be our next step. Here I'm just testing that it will create a new contact in general. Yeah, George Levin. This is my Telegram bio. Yeah, everything works. All right. This one's published. Now we need to create a new Zap for updating. So where is it? Create Zap. Trigger will be again CRMchat. Oops. CRMchat. And here the trigger event will be contact to chat update. Account will be this one. Continue. Test trigger. All right, testing. Let's select this one. All right, next step will be HubSpot. Action event will be update contact. Continue. All right, so let's start with the simple part. Let's find what we want to update. I want to update Twitter because sometimes I don't have Twitter username and I want to update it later. So let's map it with Twitter. The next one, next step, because maybe I am going to skip the next step and want to update it later. Next step, and finally partnership. Again, partnership is custom because it has several different options. All right, partnership here. All right, we updated everything, and now the tricky part. So here we need to send the object ID. So which ID we want to update, and because we don't know which ID we need to update, we have to add a new step here, which will be HubSpot search. HubSpot find contact. So basically this step will be finding relevant contact, and it will, all right, continue. Now we need to decide so what property we're going to use as a key for looking for the same contact which we're updating in CRMchat, how to find the same contact in HubSpot. We will use, I think the best idea for search properties to use Telegram. Contact information, Telegram. And it should be equal to Telegram name, Telegram username. Now, so basically we use this search to find the relevant contact we are updating in CRMchat. All right, continue. And here the last step, object ID, we just use ID here. This is it. Continue. Let's skip test. Let's just publish it because I know it will work. And let's see. So here we have George Levin. Let's update partnership. Let's put it tools. And let's update next step. I don't know, call him. Update. And let's also update Twitter. All right, where's the Twitter? Twitter, George, and update late. Now let's get back here and let's refresh it. All right, you see everything is updated. Twitter username, partnership tools, next step. Then if, let's say, I want to change the, again, I want to change the partnership type from tools to liquidity, update Let's get back here. Usually it takes about 10 seconds. Yeah, it's already updated. So this is it. And you can create any crazy zaps with crazy rules. So basically it's very flexible. Whatever you want to send from your Telegram to HubSpot, you can do it using Zapier. But again, very soon, we are going to release our direct integration, which will be much easier to set up, and you won't need Zapier at all. Using the same approach, you can integrate Telegram with any of 7,000 integrations that Zapier supports. If you have any questions, DM me or join our community and we will help you. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.